Hey, what's going on guys? This is Bicky here, and if this is your first time coming to my channel, then do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, okay? Alright guys, so today we are continuing our free masterclass on how to make a six figure in 90 days, and today is day 6. And today we're gonna talk about the traffic. So how are we going to bring the traffic, how are we gonna drive the traffic to your affiliate link, okay? But before I show you that, let me show you the results that I have got recently from this $25 home business academy, okay? So these are the sales that I have got recently from this program. As you can see here, you just made a sale, so like if I click here and if I scroll down here, you can see that I got $100 reoccurring commission, okay? And if I scroll down again at the bottom, you can see another $100 reoccurring commissions. So all these sales that you are seeing here, these all are reoccurring sales, okay? Like I'm gonna get paid every single month. So that's what the reoccurring commission is, okay? And if this is your first time watching my video, then the best thing would be to click on my profile pic, okay? And then go to playlist, okay? And then click this playlist which is called 6 figure in 90 days, okay? And you will be able to start from day 1 here, okay? So you gotta start from day 1, otherwise you will get confused on what to do, what not to do, okay? So start from day 1 if you are the first time on my channel. So now guys, let's move to the traffic part that we're gonna talk about today. So this is called Udemy, okay? This is where we buy traffic. This is one traffic source that I'm gonna show you today, and from tomorrow I'll be showing you more free traffic, okay? YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, everything. But in today's video, we're gonna talk about this traffic source which is called Udemy. I just put the link of Udemy below. So what you're gonna do is click on that link and you will land on this website, okay? And you're gonna create your account if this is your first time. So first thing what you're gonna do is once you are on Udemy dashboard, first click here. It's called Find Seller, okay? Once you click here, then here price range, choose $2, okay? Scroll down and choose $2. And here you can see got sales, so here choose 50% sales, okay? And here ratings, click on that and choose 500 plus rating, okay? And then what you're gonna do is click here. Here you can see main traffic source, so it must be top tier countries, okay? You have to keep that in mind. So now what you're gonna do is simply scroll down here, okay? Like if you scroll down here, these are called promoted, okay? So these are kind of ads, so you simply gonna ignore this promoted thing, okay? And just scroll down and go to the actual ranking ad sellers, okay? So here you can see this guy, this guy. So I have purchased traffic from this guy before and this guy before as well. So basically you can purchase traffic from any of these guys which are the top 10, okay? So for example, let's say let's choose this guy, okay? Here Khalid. So let's choose this guy here. So what you're gonna do is simply scroll down here, okay? Like if you click on buy solo, you will be able to see how many clicks that you wanna buy, okay? So to test, what you're gonna do is you can simply buy about 200 clicks here, okay? And here choose only top tier, okay? And then guys, what you're gonna do is simply go to your funnel builder, okay? And this is your landing page URL, right? So if you click here, you will be able to land on this page. So simply you're gonna copy the URL from this landing page, okay? And then you're gonna put your affiliate landing page here, okay? And then you're gonna pay for this, and that's how you're gonna get 200 clicks to your affiliate link. It means this page, okay? So this is one of the traffic that you can use, guys. You can buy 200 clicks, okay, for the first run. So let's do the math, okay? So let's say you purchased clicks, and let's say first month, okay, first month you have spent $400, okay? You have spent $400 and you get 5 sale, okay? So 5 sale of $20, okay, would be $20 multiply 5 would be $100, right? And let's say 3 of those sale converted to HBA premium package, okay? So those 3 sale, okay, $100 each would be $300, right? So $100 plus $300 would be $400, right? So now you would be thinking that okay, so you have spent $400 here and you made $400, so there is no profit, right? But here is the thing, okay? So let's say we go on the next month, month number 2. So let's say in second month you again made $400, okay? And this 300 rebill, okay? Since this is a recurring commission, so what will happen is you will again get that $300 as commission, right? So that will be $700 next month, right? So here is the thing, guys, if you are not profitable first month, it doesn't mean that you will not be profitable next month, okay? So that's how affiliate marketing work, okay? You gotta give some time to your business and you gotta treat your business like a real business. That's how you make commission, okay? That's how you become profitable, okay? I was not profitable for my first 5 months, and then 6 months I was making $3,000 to $4,000 a month, okay? So that's the thing, okay? You have to be patient with when you're running paid ads. So guys, this is how you're gonna do this traffic called Udemy, okay? And from tomorrow, guys, I'll be teaching you how to do YouTube ad, Google ad, or Facebook ad, Instagram ad, TikTok ad, okay? All these traffic sources we will be using down the line, okay? So in this video, I was just showing you how to use the Udemy traffic, okay? So go ahead, watch the day 1 video or click the link and create your account and get started on this system, okay?